Calm but powerful narration, cinematic background music rising right now. We are living through the greatest shift in human history. In just the last 25 years, the way people work, build wealth, and survive has been transformed more than in the previous 200 years combined. Think about it. The Industrial Revolution took over a century to reshape economies. The internet has done it in just a decade. And artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules again, not in decades, but in months. Welcome to the Next Gen Hustle, how the future works. To our new subscribers, thank you for joining this community. To our returning subscribers, your loyalty is the reason this platform keeps growing. And to every single viewer watching right now, stay with us until the end of this video, because what we are about to explore will give you a perspective that most people never see. This is not hype. This is the truth. This is history unfolding in real time. And by the end, you'll understand exactly how the future works and how you can position yourself to thrive in it. The world runs on cycles. Empires rise and fall. Industries boom and collapse. And those who recognize the signs early are the ones who seize the advantage. From the cotton mills of England to the steel factories of America, from oil barons to Wall Street bankers, and now to digital entrepreneurs and AI innovators, the rules of wealth are always shifting. Most people, however, cling to the old system until it collapses. They stay stuck in outdated models of work. They ignore the new economy until it's too late. At Next Gen Hustle, we strip away the illusions. No get-rich-quick fantasies, no motivational fluff, only truth backed by history, evidence, and real-world results. So today, we'll break down how the future works, not as speculation, but as fact. We'll look at where we've come from, where we are, and where the next generation must position themselves if they want to survive, compete, and win. Stay tuned, because what you'll discover here will challenge everything you thought you knew about success in the modern world. Let's begin with the collapse of the old system. The 9-to-5 job, a cornerstone of our economy for nearly a century, is crumbling before our eyes. This isn't just change. It's a seismic shift in how we define work itself. Facts don't lie. The 9-to-5 job was born in 1926 when Henry Ford standardized working hours. It made sense in a factory-driven economy where assembly lines dictated the rhythm of productivity. But that world no longer exists. Today, we're witnessing the dismantling of that structure. Remote work, freelancing, and AI automation aren't just trends. They're the new pillars of our economic reality. The office, once seen as the heart of productivity, is becoming obsolete. Consider this. In 2020, 42% of the US labor force worked from home. This wasn't just a response to a global crisis. It was proof that offices were never as essential as we believed. The 9-to-5 isn't dying because people hate it. It's dying because the world doesn't need it anymore. Thank you to our new subscribers and returning audience. Stay with us, because the next chapter reveals where the real opportunities lie. As we watch the old system fade, we're witnessing the rise of digital empires. This isn't just a change in business models. It's a fundamental shift in how wealth and power are created and distributed. History teaches us valuable lessons. Just as Rockefeller once dominated oil, today we see figures like Bezos dominating e-commerce and Musk revolutionizing electric vehicles and space exploration. These aren't just success stories, they're blueprints for the future of industry. Let's look at the facts. Amazon began as a humble online bookstore in 1994. Today, it powers over 38% of US e-commerce. This isn't just growth. It's a complete reinvention of retail and logistics. The lesson is clear. Every empire begins small, but it adapts to the next shift before the rest of the world notices. In the digital age, your empire can start with a laptop and Wi-Fi. The barriers to entry have never been lower, but the potential for growth has never been higher. But it's not just about how we work. It's about how we define and use money itself. We're living through a financial revolution that most people haven't even noticed yet. In 1971, President Nixon ended the gold standard. Money became debt-driven, a concept that shaped global economics for decades. But now, we're entering a new era. Today, cryptocurrency, digital wallets, and central bank digital currencies are redefining value exchange. This isn't just a new way to pay. It's a complete reimagining of what money is and how it works. Take Bitcoin, for example, launched in 2009, ignored by the masses. It's now part of major portfolios worldwide. This isn't just an investment trend. It's a sign of a fundamental shift in our understanding of value. The lesson is clear. Money is no longer just paper. It's code. The future belongs to those who understand this shift and position themselves accordingly. But perhaps the most profound change we're witnessing is the rise of AI and automation. This isn't just technological progress. It's a silent revolution that's reshaping the very nature of human labor. The facts are staggering. In 2023, Goldman Sachs predicted AI could replace 300 million jobs worldwide. This isn't science fiction. It's our immediate reality. We're seeing examples every day. Chatbots now handle customer service, once run by human call centers. AI tools design, write, trade, and create at superhuman speeds. This isn't just efficiency. It's a complete redefinition of what work means. The historical parallel is clear. Just as machines replaced farm labor in the 1800s, AI is replacing cognitive labor today. This isn't a threat. It's an opportunity for those who understand how to leverage it. Subscribers, thank you for staying with us. The future is being revealed, don't blink. But in this new world, there's one resource that stands above all others: attention. Every empire in history has controlled a resource. In the 21st century, that resource is human focus. This isn't just about marketing. It's about understanding the new currency of our age. TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram are not just apps. They are empires that monetize your focus. They've turned seconds of your time into billions in revenue. Understanding this shift is crucial. In a world where information is abundant, attention is scarce. Those who can capture and direct it will be the new titans of industry. As we conclude, let's reflect on the journey we've taken. We've explored the collapse of traditional work structures, the rise of digital empires, the transformation of money, the AI revolution, and the new economy of attention. This isn't just information. It's a roadmap to the future. A future that's already here, unfolding around us every day. To our loyal subscribers, your commitment to understanding these shifts puts you ahead of the curve. To those just joining us, welcome to a community that doesn't just watch the future, we actively shape it. Remember, the greatest opportunities often arise in times of great change, and we are living through the greatest period of change in human history. So ask yourself, how will you adapt? How will you leverage these shifts to create your own success story? The future isn't something that happens to you. It's something you build. And with the knowledge you've gained today, you're better equipped than ever to build a future that works for you. This is the Next Gen Hustle. This is how the future works. And this is just the beginning. Stay tuned, stay focused, and most importantly, stay ahead of the curve. Because in this new world, those who understand the rules are the ones who write them. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.